Koko, Magic Tales. Hi friends! Let's learn our alphabets with cute animals. Sing along with us. A is for alligator, alligator snaps and smiles, swimming in the river for a while. B is for butterfly, butterfly flying so high, colorful wings across the sky. C is for cat, sissy cat goes meow meow meow, stretching and purring softly now. D is for dolphin, D dolphin jumps with glee, splashing waves in the blue, blue sea. E is for elephant, elephant big and strong, swinging its trunk all day long. F is for frog, a frog goes hop, 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 jumping near the lily top. G is for giraffe, giraffe so tall and sweet, eating leaves it loves to eat. H is for horse, horse runs fast and free, galloping happily with glee. I is for iguana, iguana basking in the sun, lazing around having fun. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish floating slow, glowing softly down below. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo jump, 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 baby in the pouch goes thump. L is for lion, a lion roars out loud, king of animals, strong and proud. M is for monkey, a monkey climbs the tree, swinging, laughing happily. N is for night owl, and a night owl hoots at night, flying quietly out of sight. O is for octopus, octopus with arms so 8, waving hello, isn't it great? P is for penguin, penguin waddles around, sliding happily on icy ground. Q is for quokka, quokka smiles all day, happiest animal they say. R is for rabbit, rabbit hop, 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 nibbling carrots, never stop. S is for snake, a snake goes hiss, 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 slithering quietly like this. T is for tiger, tiger stripes so bright, roaming forest day and night. U is for unicorn, unicorn magical and kind, sparkly dreams it leaves behind. V is for vulture, for vulture spreads its wings, soaring high where the blue sky sings. W is for whale, whale sings a song deep in oceans, loud and long. X is for X-ray fish, X-ray fish shines bright, see-through body, what a sight. Y is for yak, yak with fur so thick, living where the mountains stick. Z is for zebra, zebra black and white, running fast with all its might. Great job, friends! You learned A to Z. See you soon on Koko Magic Tales.